In a motion offense, there needs to be constant movement, screens, and cuts to confuse the defense. We're going to go through 3 general rules in a motion offense. So we line up in our regular offensive formation. Point guard brings the ball up, 2 and 3. Our wings are going to line up initially inside, and then our 4 and 5 will line up right outside of the post. As soon as the 1 brings the ball past the half court, the 2 and 3 both do a V cut in and pop out to the wings. The point guard has an option to pass the ball to either of those 2 players. If the point guard passes it to the right, to the 3, as soon as the point guard makes that first pass, 2 things need to happen. The point guard will set a screen for the wing in the opposite direction, and the wing will pop up in the point guard's position. And the 5, since the ball is now on his side, needs to set a screen for the 4. The 4 will pop out and expect the pass. So now the 3 can do 2 things. Ideally, if the 4 is open, the 3 can pass the ball to the 4. If that pass is made, this is the second thing that needs to happen. The 2 cuts to the lane. The 1 cuts to the lane. Possibly the 3 can also cut to the lane, expect a pass. So that's one option. If the 3 passes it to the 4, we have players cutting into the lane. If the 3 can't get the ball to the 4, the 3 will pass the ball back to the top of the key. Now when that happens, and anytime the ball gets passed back to the top of the key, our wing players both pop in, set screens for our post players, and now our post players pop out and expect the pass. You'll see that in a motion offense, every player needs to understand each position's responsibilities, because you'll see that now the 2 is essentially playing the point guard role, the 4 and 5 are now playing the wing. And then you set it up again. So as a recap, if now the 2 passes the ball to the 5, 2 things need to happen. The 2 goes and sets a screen, the 4 pops out. Also, at the same time, the 1 sets a screen, the 3 switches sides. Now the 5 has an option to either pass to the 3, if he can, or if he can't get it to the 3, pass it back to the 4, and when that happens, again, the 5 and the 2 set screen, the 1 and the 3 now pop out to the wings. And this needs to happen constantly. That's why it's called a motion offense. There needs to be constant motion.